Are you trying to decide between Google AdSense and AdMob? You're not alone. Both are popular tools for making money online. But which one is right for you? Google AdSense helps website owners earn money by displaying ads. It's perfect for blogs and content sites. AdMob, on the other hand, is designed for mobile app developers. It allows them to monetize their apps with ads. Let's look at AdSense first. It's user friendly and easy to set up. You can choose different types of ads like text or images. AdSense works by showing ads that match your content. This means higher chances of clicks and revenue. Now, let's talk about AdMob. It's tailored for apps. You can integrate ads into your mobile games or tools. AdMob offers features like rewarded ads, which encourage users to engage more. This can lead to better user experience and more income. So, what are the key differences? AdSense is for websites, while AdMob focuses on mobile apps. The ad formats also differ. AdSense offers more variety for web content, while AdMob has options that fit mobile interfaces. When it comes to features, both tools provide analytics. AdSense shows how your website performs, while AdMob tracks app user behavior. Both can help you optimize your strategy. Pricing is straightforward. Both platforms are free to use but take a cut from your earnings. The more you earn, the more they take. In the end, if you run a website, go for AdSense. If you have a mobile app, AdMob is your best bet. Choose based on where your audience is. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.